Up top.
Game on, go, go, go. Hey, don't worry about that. Try to get through. You already got 5 shots.
Set.
Don't worry about that, dude.
Set. Set. Come around.
Got one straight ahead.
Watch the top side, Zach. Top of the rock.
How's the hole look?
Not good, not good. Top side, turns the top, he's gonna shot. I got shit shot.
There's someone up top?
Yep.
I know.
Alright. Seth, can you take that yellow shirt guy? Oh, never mind. Go, go, go.
He's out. Is there one up there? Yep.
He's fine. He's out here.
He didn't put his hand up yet.
He said hit.
Are you out?
He did say hit.
I don't see him anymore.
Mason, are you out?
That was a lucky shot. That was a lucky shot right up in the hole.
Yes, he did. It's like he didn't like here. All that came with mine.
Red shirt. Oh. He put his hands up. He's out. Right side of the rock is out. Right side of the hole.
Yeah, that's coming up the top side.
Anybody else over here?
Yeah, that kid in yellow's out. Far shooter.
Where?
He's out. He's out.
Got 2 walking out. We can move up.
Yeah.
Jason's right up here.
Wolf Pack! Sweep and clean!
Are you sure it's clean? Behind you. Are you sure it's clean? Okay.
How about top side? Good over there. Okay, you move up.
Can't believe I got that guy.
Yeah, I was not really touching myself.
I didn't even know. All of a sudden I saw the top of his head and I just pulled up and got him.
The kid yelled right there. That's where he hit him.
Oh, I got him in the mask. It may have been mostly spray though.
Move up, Ty. I got you.
Where's he?
He's coming.
What are we doing? You think there's somebody back there?
We're just getting really cautious. There's someone really good at piping.
Alright.
That guy in the white, heavy set one?
Yeah.
Ryan, yeah, he'll hide in bushes. Wearing a bright white shirt, you still can't see him. He's good.
He's not afraid to get nicked.
Yeah, he took one right in the throat.
I don't think he's necessarily unafraid or afraid. I just think he doesn't try to think it through very well.
No, he's not afraid to get nicked by bushes and stuff.
Somebody comes after you, I'm gonna jump on you. Get down, Mr. President.
I was going to.
Hey, I was like this. You know that big old rock in those kind of play? Hey, you know that big old rock over there? Ooh.
We lost one of ours.
We back outside.
Where are they at?
There's a glint over there, maybe a mask or a bottle, can't tell. Straight ahead of you, probably about 50 feet. Do you see anything?
No.
We're watching it, keep moving.
There's someone up in there?
No, over there. They got two guys on this.
You want me to go up there? I got his head down. Move up if you can. Pick your head up again. Is he hit?